Okay guys, I'm going to install this in the wife's new vehicle. Now this is a Power Magic Pro. Now this determines when the power gets switched off from the dash cam. So what we're going to do, we're going to put this into the fuse box. I'll show you a simple way to connect it in to a new vehicle. If you get a new vehicle and you want to put a dash cam in and you want it to record while the vehicle's parked, you'll need one of these Power Magic Pros. This came with the dash cam when we bought it. The dash cam's about 3 years old, guys. We're going to still use it. It's great, really good. It's a Blackview 2-channel dash cam. Now I'm going to connect it in, and then we simply plug the dash cam into this cigarette lighter. This controls the power to the dash cam. So when you turn the ignition off, as you see there, I've got 4 of the switches up, 1 is down, okay? That tells this to switch off when the battery gets to 12.5 volts, and it will record for 12 hours. So you park your car, ignition it off, it'll go for 12 hours. That's providing you have this on. If you turn this off, then it'll simply go off with the ignition of the vehicle. So I'm going to use these little micro fuse taps. I need to hook the red wire, has to go, as you see there, accessories, positive. So something, when you turn the ignition on the vehicle, the power will power this on. The yellow needs to connect to something with permanent power. So I have to test the fuse box. Okay, that's pretty much all I need. Something with continuous power, and then something, a circuit that goes on and off with the ignition key, and also a ground wire. Guys, that's all you need. 3 wires to connect into your fuse box, which I'm going to use these easy fuse taps. Guys, you can buy these. These work out probably $3, $4 on eBay each. You can get a pack of 5 for about $10. Okay guys, here we are. I found the fuse box in the car. It's actually behind the glove box. It took me a while to realise where it was. I had to look in the instruction manual. Okay guys, I'll just show you what I'm doing with the, I have to hold the camera with one hand. Okay, that one there is the hazard light circuit. Now I'll be pulling that fuse out, and that fuse will go in to that fuse tapper that I'm putting in. So I put the fuse tapper in, and then I'll put the 15 amp fuse to the fuse tapper. That's got constant power, that's the hazard lights, and the one under it is the cigarette lighter. So I'll be using these 2 here, guys. So that's the hazard, that's cigarette lighter. There's no power. When you turn the ignition on, the power will come through. So for instance, on this fuse box, the hot side is on the top. That's the top of the box, yeah. So the power is coming in from the top. So the top part is the hot side on this fuse box in this Mitsubishi ASX. So that would mean the fuse will have to go in that way. So this is the hazard light circuit. That's my hazard light, the 15 amp, and then I'm going to put a 5 amp in for the dash cam. This is for the constant power. Okay guys, there's a very poor lighting in here, but I have to use the hazard circuit for the continuous power, and I have to use the power mirror circuit, which is down, the one below the cigarette lighter. I don't know if you can see that, because the elbow on the fuse tap is actually in the way. I can't get another fuse tap where the cigarette lighter is, so I need to go, I'm in the power mirror circuit, so I'm hooked into that, so the dash cam will be running off the power mirror circuit and the hazard light circuit. So now I just got to connect up the wires for the Power Magic Pro for the dash cam, and the wires are connected. I've got an earth up here. There's not much metal in these new cars, but found an earth. So there we have it here. Now I've just got to go over under the driver's side steering wheel, mount this box in. Okay, we just plug it in, turn it on. And as you see, she comes on, the ignition key. Beautiful, works. I have my dash cam in the vehicle. It's already mounted up there, the back and front. So I'll just tidy that up. Leave that on, I'll turn the key off. I should keep going. Keys off. And it's doing what it should be doing. Supplying power to the dash cam. I really think a dash cam is a necessity these days. With the drivers on the road, you definitely need one. And you've got to cover your backside. That's all there is to it. Alright, I'll tidy this up and put it up. Okay guys, there it is currently installed. So I've got the camera's recording now. I've keyed it off. So I'll turn it off now. I don't need it. I'm at home. And the camera will shut down.
Powering down.
And it's powering down. And that's it. Awesome. Okay guys, that completes the job for the Power Magic Pro for the dash cam. Alright, thank you. Till next time. Bye.